Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how we can create, share and collaborate on different documents using Google Drive. As all of us know that Google Drive is a free file storage and sharing website that is accessible to anyone with a Gmail account. So we have to simply log in at drivegoogle.com with our Gmail account, username and password, and we can create, store and share all kinds of files and documents over the Google Drive. We can also use Google Drive for uploading documents, and we can also take backup of different types of files into Google Drive. So in this particular video, we are going to learn some more features of Google Drive. For example, how we can share a document with other users and how we can collaborate using a shared document. As Google Docs is fully compatible with Microsoft Office and most other softwares that are used for creating documents, so we can start uploading any type of document from our computer to Google Drive. Besides this, we can also use Google Drive to create document from scratch. If we want to create a document inside Google Drive, we just have to click on here and we have to select the type of document that we want to create. Here we have different options for creating documents. From here, we can create spreadsheets, we can create word processing files, we can create forms, and we can even draw pictures using Google Drive. Now let's say we want to create a Word document. In that case, we just need to click on here. Then this type editor will open up right in our browser. Here we don't have to download any type of software. We just have to click on this title at the top of the screen and we can give any name to this file. Here one thing is very important, that Google Drive automatically saves our document. So if we are working on a document, our document will be automatically saved in Google Drive. And if the power goes off, there is no need to worry about the loss of data. Now let's say we want to invite other users to access one of our documents. So what we can do is we can click on here, this share tab, and then we can define who can access this document. So we can use this link at the top to send to other users to give them access to view or edit our document, or we can assign users by entering their email addresses down here. We can also define which users can only read our document or which users have editing access. Here one thing is very important, that more than one user can edit a file right inside Google Drive at the same time. For example, let's say we shared a document with 4 persons. Then what will happen? Each of those 4 persons can access that file and they can edit the file at the same time. But here one thing is also very important, that they must have editing access. If they have not been given the editing access, then they can only read the file, but they will not be able to edit the file. So this factor is also very important. We should also be very careful while sharing the document. So if we are sharing a document with other users, then we must pay attention to its settings. We should be very careful while we are giving him access to just view the file, or we are giving user the access to edit the file. Now let's say 4 users are working in the document. In that case, we can see their names on the right hand side of the screen, and when they will place their cursor on the document, we can see that cursor with a different color. So if 4 users are working, that means each user will have a different color of cursor. We can also leave comments for the other members of our group to help them keep track of changes made while they were not watching the document. For example, let's say 4 users are working on a document, but at this time only one user is working. In this case, that user can leave a comment for other users while they were not working on the document. Alright, so this video concludes here. I hope it was helpful and informative for you. Thanks for watching.